go ahead and navigate to the text pages tab. In this tab, you can view all of your created text pages, and you can also edit them simply by clicking on your already created text pages. You can see I have a couple different ones. Now, in order to create a new text page, all you have to do is click this button here. I can name the page whatever I want. Let's name this one announcement number 2, and I can begin writing in plain text. So I can say, just wanted to let you know mycliq version 1.0 is live. Download now. And you'll notice that you have access to a variety of rich content editing tools. You can create bullet points, numbers, add quotes. You can make certain text bold. You can underline text, everything that you would expect in a normal text editor. And you'll notice that depending on what your subscription plan is, you can create up to 30 text pages, meaning that you can write fully fleshed out blog articles. They don't just have to be quick announcements. I'll show you an example of a very long text page in a moment. The last thing I want to show you is that you can add both images and video embeds. So I can go ahead and click on the image button, and I can add images directly onto my text pages. If I wanted to add another one right next to it, all I'd have to do is select another image. There we go. And if I wanted to add a video embed to my text page, maybe I wrote a blog article that has an accompanying video, I can just go ahead and click the toggle. I can position it to be above all the text or below all the text. I'll put below the text. And then all I have to do is paste a video URL. I'll paste that here. Click the add button. Now it's been successfully added. All I have to do now is save the text page. And now it will be saved here. Now, when you go back to your dashboard and you edit an existing page, you'll notice that if I go down to my thoughts icon, which is this icon here, I can now select the available page to be added. So when I click thoughts, it'll show announcement 2, and the user can click on that. Now, you'll notice that the video URL that I selected was from Formula 1, and they actually don't allow video embeds. Massive companies may block videos, so just keep in mind you want to be using video URLs that you own and that are embeddable. I guess I'll show you an example really quickly of a very long text page, so you can see that you really can write fully in-depth blog articles if you want. But in order to add text pages to your actual mycliq page, you're going to want to make sure that you've created them here in the text page tab.